This tutorial shows teachers how to create a Jupyter account and set up their classes and rosters. If you're part of a school account, your admin will email you a link to sign up. Follow the prompts to choose your username and password and set your role and other options. Anything here can be changed later if needed. In Jupyter, double-click Grades to see your dashboard. These tabs represent your classes. Click a tab to view a class. You'll see the roster on the left and any assignments you create on the right. The top shows the grading period. You can open past grading periods and past years. This is also where you start a new grading period, if your admin doesn't already do that for you. Let's look at the options on Setup, Classes Subjects. In your class list, drag your classes into whatever order you prefer. To rename a tab, click Edit, then customize the tab here. You can name tabs whatever you like as long as they are unique. You can also combine some classes if you like. For example, if your class is actually 2 different courses, you can view them as one combined roster. The plus sign lets you toggle the combined view on and off at any time. Here you can set your gradebook color. This is just a personal preference. Choose the appropriate setting here for report card comments. Elementary Core groups all comments by student, and Middle High School or Special Subjects separates comments for each student by subject. If any of your classes meet virtually, enter the meeting links here. Now let's look at Setup, Students. This is where you customize your rosters. At the bottom, you can choose how student names are sorted and displayed. Click a student to view their profile. Your admin may allow you to edit some or all of this information, or it may be grayed out. If you do change a student record, beware that it affects all teachers who share that student. This roster number custom field is the only place that affects only your gradebook, so use this for things like foreign language nicknames, group numbers, and so on, and it won't affect other teachers. You may also add or drop students if your admin allows it. Click Add Students to paste a list of student names and follow the prompts carefully, or use these checkboxes to drop or transfer your existing students. When you drop a student, you can always add them back later and their grades will be restored, even months later. When transferring students to a different class, their grade will transfer automatically. See our other videos to set your grading and other setup options here. That concludes this tutorial. Please see our help guide for more details.